Welcome to Dan the Cleaning Man channel. Have you ever spent hours scrubbing, dusting, and polishing, only to look around and wonder why your home still doesn't feel clean? Well, you're not alone. In today's video, we're breaking down 5 common cleaning mistakes that might be ruining your home, and more importantly, how you can avoid them. Mistake number 1, using the wrong cleaning products. We've all been guilty of grabbing whatever cleaner is on sale or whatever's lying around the house. But not all cleaning products are created equal. Using a product that's too harsh can damage surfaces like wood or granite. On the flip side, using a mild cleaner on tough grime just won't get the job done. Here's a simple fix. Always check the labels. You don't want to be that person who uses window cleaner on marble countertops and wonders why they're starting to look dull. Instead, make sure you're using the right product for each surface. And remember, sometimes going for an all-purpose cleaner isn't always the best move. Mistake number 2, neglecting the out-of-sight, out-of-mind areas. Sure, we all remember to clean the kitchen counters and bathroom sinks, but what about those areas we don't see every day? Places like behind the fridge, under the couch, or even the tops of your cabinets. Over time, dust and grime build up in these hidden spots and can affect the overall cleanliness and even air quality in your home. Make it a habit to deep clean those areas at least once a month. Not only will it make a difference, but you'll also avoid any unpleasant surprises, like finding enough dust bunnies to start a whole new pet collection. Moving on to mistake number 3, scrubbing stains instead of blotting them. Picture this. You spill wine or coffee on your carpet, and your first instinct is to scrub it like there's no tomorrow. But hold up. Scrubbing can actually push the stain deeper into the fibers, making it almost impossible to remove later. Instead, what you want to do is blot. Grab a clean cloth or paper towel and gently dab the stain. This helps absorb the liquid without spreading it around or embedding it into the fabric. It's a simple change in technique, but it makes a world of difference in keeping your carpets and fabrics looking fresh. Mistake number 4, overloading the washing machine. We all want to save time, so stuffing as many clothes as possible into the washing machine seems like a genius idea, right? Wrong! Overloading the washer not only prevents your clothes from getting properly cleaned, but can also damage the machine. When clothes are packed too tightly, water and detergent can't circulate as they should, meaning dirt and soap residues are left behind. The result? You're essentially wearing dirty clothes that just smell good. For the best results, follow the recommended load size for your washer, and your clothes will thank you for it. Finally, mistake number 5, skipping routine maintenance on cleaning tools. I know what you're thinking. Cleaning the tools that clean your house? It sounds like some kind of paradox, but it's absolutely necessary. Dirty vacuums, mops, and sponges are just spreading more dirt and germs around your home. If you're using a vacuum with a full bag or clogged filter, it's not going to be as effective. If you're using a mop that hasn't been rinsed properly, you're just pushing dirty water around your floors. And don't even get me started on smelly sponges. The solution? Take a few extra minutes to clean your tools after each use. Rinse out your mop, change your vacuum filter regularly, and throw your sponges in the dishwasher or microwave to disinfect them. Trust me, this small step makes a big difference in how clean your home stays. And there you have it, 5 common cleaning mistakes that can ruin your home and how to avoid them. The good news is, these are all easy fixes that will instantly improve your cleaning game. So next time you're deep cleaning, just keep these tips in mind and you'll see the results almost immediately. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on more cleaning hacks. Thanks for watching, and remember, cleaning smart is the key to keeping your home spotless. Catch you next time.